Designer Plants, and today I'm going to share with you the top 5 things to look for when purchasing your artificial vertical garden to make sure that you get the best quality. The first thing to look for when purchasing your artificial green wall is the density of the foliage on the panel. Thicker ones, like this one, tend to be of a higher quality, while thinner ones, like this one, are of a lower quality and just won't look as good on your fence. The second thing to look for to make sure that you get the best quality green wall is the thickness of the leaves. So thicker leaves, like this one, mean that your panels won't crack or fade, while thinner leaves, like this one, tend to lead to more cracking and fading, and again, won't look good on your fence. The third thing to look for is making sure that your green wall panels are backed by UV testing reports, because after 12 months, you don't want your green walls to look like this. So make sure that your panels are UV tested and that the company you're buying from has the UV reports to back it up. The fourth thing to look for when purchasing your artificial green wall is to make sure that your green walls are going to keep your family safe. And that means that green walls are backed by testing reports that mean that there's no nasty toxic chemicals like formaldehyde, lead and mercury. So we'll make sure that your green walls are going to keep your family safe. The fifth thing to watch out for when you're purchasing your artificial vertical garden is to make sure that your vertical gardens are earth friendly. So that means whether you purchase our laurel or our buxus, we'll take these panels back when they reach the end of their life and make sure that they're properly recycled to go into making other products. So you know that you're looking after the earth. So I hope you've learnt a lot from our top 5 things to look out for when purchasing your artificial vertical garden. Remember, not all artificial vertical gardens are the same quality. So it's important that you make sure that you look out for these top 5 things. And remember, if you need any help, the friendly team at Designer Plants are here to help.